afternoon. Welcome. This is Government Year 2014 Jam Pass question. Question number 48 says the number of parliament members of the UN Security Council is dash. The number of parliament members of the UN Security Council is that. That is how it means that how many parliaments and parliament made up the UN Security Council. So option A says 8, option B says 5, option C says 6, option D says 7. The UN Permanent Secretary is made up of 5, and these 5 are from the first world nations. So that is where they came from. So they are the people that made up the UN Security Council. Option B is correct. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.